In this video, I will show you how to get Expedia discounts and promo codes. Let's get started. Open any web browser of your choice and search for Coupon Follow. Open this website. What you're gonna do here is go to the search bar and search for Expedia. After finding the code that suits you, copy by clicking Click to Copy Code. Then apply it during checkout on the Expedia website. And this is how you can get Expedia discounts and promo codes. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.